Hey guys, good evening, everyone. Let me turn on my video. Guys, can you see me? Okay. So welcome all for this session. Thanks for joining this webinar. So let's wait for some more time for the people to join. Let's give them like 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, you can start asking, guys. So if anyone have any questions, you can start asking so that we can get started with the session.
Hi, Arun. This is Neha.
Yeah, hi, Snehalata. Right.
Yeah. So I have a question here. So
Yeah, sure.
present I'm a manual tester. I have 9+ years of experience on manual testing, but
Okay.
uh, I am trying to shift automation side, but I don't have much time to uh, spend that much time. So if
Mhm.
any crash course is available,
Yeah. So,
and and, al- and
yeah,
also one more question.
yeah.
I need a practical experience because in every tutorial, I mean, in every institution, they are learning to the these are
Okay.
the types, these are the types. They are explaining. Okay,
Yes,
that is
I
fine,
understand. I
but
understand. Yes, I understand.
need
So,
practice.
Snehalata, you will get the answer for your question.
Mm,
So, in this webinar, okay. So, how our sessions are different from other trainers and all, like the kind of stuff we generally teach and all those stuff. You will see the difference here on the screen. You can see a mind map, right? Are you able to see the mind map or anything is coming in between? Just let me know, guys. Are you
yeah,
able
I'm
to
able
see
to.
the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So, coming to your case, first thing is that we are going to start a new batch. Okay. This webinar I have planned with an intention so that, a batch is getting started. A new batch is starting from 22nd. Okay. From 22nd, that is Monday, Indian time, 8 p.m. IST. Okay. 22nd onwards, the new batch will start. Already we have 19 members with us, guys, who already registered. Then only we are coming to this webinar so that we want to, because we are already serious with 19 members. So if there are any other members, we have one more batch already. There we had like more than, 100 plus people. This one is a new batch where we started marketing it, silently in our groups. And we got 19 members already. So I want to make this public, okay, to make this public for all the people to know that we are starting a new batch. Without marketing, we just got 19 members here. And the duration, I mean, the sessions will be at 8 p.m. IST, the evening hours. So there are a few differentiators here. There are a few differentiators here about this new batch. Okay. The enrollment process, if you want to enroll yourself, right, you need to contact my team member, Javed. Okay. Here are the details of the Javed. If anyone want to, talk to Javed and get yourself enrolled, I only teach. So Javed will help me out in, getting the people enrolled into the batch. Okay. So here already 19 members are there. I'll show you our Telegram groups. So here, this is a batch one, guys. Here already we have 160 members. Okay. In our batch one, we already have 160 members, and this is a batch two that I'm starting now. It's a very serious batches, guys, R&D oriented batches. You are just expecting some definitions and all, but we teach you not expectation. We teach you the mindset, the realistic mindset, what should have and all those stuff. And the second batch, already we have 19 subscribers here. You can see that, right? 19 members or 18 members are already enrolled in our batch. Okay. 18 to 19 people already have enrolled. We are looking for more people to join that batch so that we can, whether the people will join or doesn't join, doesn't matter. We are going to start on 22nd. That's for sure. Okay. 22nd, that is from Monday, April 22nd, Monday, we are going to start the batch, new batch. So currently already one batch is going on in the morning hours at 7 a.m. where we are into Selenium Java advanced topics. Okay. So we take a lot of, I'll show you how depth we teach the people and all. I'll show you all the things. Okay. So be there. So these are beginners, completely beginner friendly webinar, trainings. Okay. You don't have to have any knowledge. You can ask any simple, basic, silly questions also, no problem. Because the reason here is after every session, we give 1 hour for only doubts. Just for doubts clearing, we just give 1 hour, guys. 1 hour will be training, and remaining 1 hour, if required, there were some instances where we went outside 1 hour. Okay. So there were some instances where we went outside 1 hour, where we have cleared the doubts of the people. Some people will bring us some interview problems, like they were facing some interview problems. Okay. So we resolve that in the sessions itself. At the end of the sessions only, we resolve that. If required, will take more than hour also. Our intention is to make the people satisfied, and it's not just about training and all, but our guidance is even more better here in our sessions. Okay. And not the guidance for only one batch. You have to join only one time, and lifetime training sessions access at any point of time after you get enrolled with us, at any point in the future sessions also. Okay. Future batches also, you guys can join, and you can be part of the doubt clearing part. And at any point, any career guidance throughout your lifetime. Okay. We'll be there, not just this batch or next batch, all the batches. Okay. It's one time joining and lifetime training. And all our future initiatives, we keep adding a lot of initiatives. We just under promise. Basically, we under promise and over deliver. That's our way of doing. So we generally under promise. Whatever we are saying here are still under promise things. We do whatever behind whatever we say here. Okay. That's what you have to keep take into consideration, because the future initiatives are more. Already we are very much occupied with weekends and weekdays, morning hours, evening sessions, and all those stuff. Okay. You can join any part of the time, any part of the day, whenever you are available. In our WhatsApp group, we'll ping like this. Okay. I'll show you the WhatsApp community also. We have a very active community on the WhatsApp where you can join, and throughout the day discussions will go on here, and people help each other and all those stuff. Here, if you see here, this is a community we have already. There are people here. You will be added to this community. The existing students, you can say 168 people are there, and some job related stuff will be posted here, and recordings will be posted. Tomorrow, what will be the sessions will be posted, because there are a lot of things we are taking. For some people, they already know manual testing and core Java. They want to learn Selenium. Okay, they can directly join this. Some iframes concept is going on. They can join it. For some people, they are not good with Java or something. They want detailed Java. 8 p.m. sessions are there. Now these 8 p.m. sessions are going to be replaced with the new batch. Okay, that's what we are planning. And the next thing here is here you see every day we post something like what will be the tomorrow sessions and all. For every session, you will be eligible, guys. This batch, next batch, previous batch, doesn't matter. You can join, jump into any batch and parallelly learn a lot of stuff. Okay. General, Selenium, Java, R&D, iframes continued. You see, for just iframes, we have taken a lot of sessions, guys. You can see that, right? So every day we post here. So here a lot of questions will come, like people will ask the questions we discuss in the meetings. Okay. In the sessions, we'll discuss some interview questions or whatever it is. Okay. So we'll also post a lot of interview questions and all those stuff. A very active community, guys. This is very active community. You can see here. Everyday sessions will be posted. What will be taught tomorrow? You see, auto suggestion drop-down fields. Everyone will only show you how to automate the drop-down fields, and the topic is done. Here we are specially taking some special drop-down fields like auto suggestion drop-down fields from different websites, some real websites. Okay. You see here file handling mechanism. We have taken like 3 to 4 or 5 sessions. Okay. Today actually we had a last session on file handling, but because of this webinar, we have to cancel that. Tomorrow we just postpone this particular session to tomorrow. Okay. So like that. Okay. So like that, many things will keep going on weekends, guys, especially on Saturday and Sunday. We have 4 sessions. These are add-on sessions. It's not compulsory that you have to attend. If you attend, it will benefit you. For example, Selenium Java challenges we take. Last week, we discussed about shadow DOM closure type. Okay. In depth, very advanced topics. Whatever the training I give on the weekdays, we do the implementation on the weekends. Okay. And here manual testing, BRS requirements, we were there in this particular session for 4 to 5 sessions already. It's not completed it because we have a lot of discussions. Everything we'll discuss like test environments. Okay. Different testing types, what's going on in the industry, what do you have to know? Like it's a very high level domain knowledges of different domains. Everything will be. And on top of that, we have non-tech to tech series also. where for the people who are new to the tech field, right, they can join this non-tech to tech series as an add-on, where we also teach HTML from scratch and all those stuff. Okay, a lot of things are going parallelly here, and many more initiatives are going to be added in the coming days. Okay, that's our plan. And apart from that, you can clearly see we'll definitely make you technically sound. It's not just about Selenium Java automation. We have a lot of plans coming here, and all our future initiatives are completely free for you guys. Okay, all our future initiatives are completely free for you. You don't have to pay any single rupee extra. Okay, join once only with us, be connected with us, and you will see the difference. Okay, so our intention is to serve rather than it's not just about money and all. We want to serve the people. We want to bring some difference to the people who join our sessions. That's our main intention. Because our fees is also very nominal, guys. Okay, our fee is also very nominal. It's just rupees 5,000 rupees, and not charging much. But this is very much important because we cannot provide everything for free. The free doesn't have any value. So if you join with this rupees 5,000 just for your lifetime, right, you will get a lot of value, guys. Okay. So we can filter out the serious people, right, by adding this fee. The serious people will be added to our batches. Otherwise, the people who need the trainings, who don't need the trainings, will join the trainings, and the things will get disturbed. Okay. So we have a very basic fee, that is rupees 5,000 rupees. Okay. So you can join that. You will become a complete okay expert here. Okay. From the very basic level, 0 level to advanced level, including HTML, CSS, okay, XML, XPath, CSS selectors, DOM, JavaScript. All these technologies will be taught to you, and your mindset will be generally changed. So we are heading with a different direction. Our this whatever things that we are currently, trying to train you guys. These are not the final things. We have a lot of things ahead. Okay, we have a lot of initiatives going on. Lot of things we want to do to the students. That's why we are saying future initiatives are completely free here. Okay, future initiatives are completely free here. That's the reason. And you see, these are R&D sessions. So already I have a lot of content on my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, let me show you my YouTube channel. You can see my YouTube channel. Already have posted a lot of things there. What is the difference between my already a lot of free courses I have posted on my YouTube channel? But what is the difference here? What is the difference? I'll show you. Here in my trainings, we are going to give 100x. Okay, whatever that you are getting from my YouTube channel, if you say X, in my trainings, initiatives, discussion oriented things, we are going to give 100x. Okay, 100x. Just let because we are in the meeting, right? The portals will load bit slow. They have to be okay with that. So here already we have, you see my channel has 88,000 subscribers. Getting this many subscribers is not easy on a technical channel, right? If I'm getting means, okay, I'm sharing a lot of stuff. We sometimes have some CEO talks in between. R&D sessions will be there. First of all, R&D sessions, guys. Every session will be R&D oriented and lot of discussion oriented. And after every R&D session, we have 1 hour for doubts. Every basic doubt will be cleared, guys. Okay. CEO sessions will be there. CEO sessions or expert sessions, you can say CEO/expert sessions. Expert sessions will be there in between. So I'll invite my circle. I have a lot of big circle. Okay. So when we reach to a kind of situation where we are good and still want to learn something new, right? I'll bring my circle into the picture who are expert in their areas, and they'll also take the sessions. One of such kind of sessions are conducted by Selector Sub recently. Okay, Selector Sub session has been done in one of our this training sessions. Okay, Sanjay from Selectors Hub has come and given the session. Like that, many other sessions we are planning with CEOs and my friends who are experts in different fields. Few people are in performance, few people are in security, few people are in like that. Okay, I will be inviting a lot of people, and they will give you a lot of guidance and insights of your career. Okay, my trainings will be there. On the top of that, I'll bring my friends and circles who will give you the expert sessions, all the real time stuff, guys. Okay, all the real time stuff. We are not going to speak nonsense. Okay, no nonsense, straightforward, real stuff, real things. Every doubt session, if you can see that, lot of real time discussions goes on. Okay, so you will become an expert in each and every topic of Selenium automation or whatever it may be, the future initiatives. The first batch has started in the month of January, but we are still going, guys. We completed a lot of things, but we want to do a lot of R&D on that, like frameworks, etc. We want to do a lot of R&Ds and on that frameworks part and all. So that's the reason we kept it still open. We have not closed the batch yet. So this evening session also will be for a longer duration. Don't ask me for 2 months duration, 1 month duration. If that is your requirement, don't join, guys. Okay. So it will be, more than whatever you are expecting, because here the session's intention is completely different. It's not just join a training, complete your training, go back like that. It's not like that. It's an ongoing learning where we have some side hustle projects. Okay. Here we solve live automation challenges. Every weekend we have at 7 a.m. on Saturday and Sunday, we have these live automation challenges where we'll take some real applications and automate them. And we also have this futuristic initiative that will start soon, because we are almost there. End-to-end automation of an application where 500 test cases we are going to automate, guys. Okay, very big claim, right? 500 test cases we want to automate. Okay, this is our goal actually as part of this. So all our current, future, previous batches and current batches can be part of this. Okay, along with the live automation, we are going to automate end-to-end application completely. And during the automation of this application, we'll also, develop the framework in a natural way. Instead of creating a framework template and thereafter, writing the automation scripts on the top of that approach we don't follow. We build the automation framework while the automation is going on of the different scenarios. If you have to automate 500 test cases, definitely the framework should be very sound. No trainer can give you such kind of framework that comes at the end of the 500 test cases, guys. Okay. It's a very long-term side hustle project. You can say this comes under the side hustle for us, side hustle project for that. Okay. The people who are interested in side hustle, the people who don't have the opportunity to work on real-time automation in their companies, this is your internship kind of stuff. Okay. Side hustle or internship, you can say anything. It can be side hustle for some people. It can be internship for some people. It can be anything, guys. Okay. It can be internship for the people. We have a manual testing initiative also going on weekends, where we teach the people, like we discuss a lot. This is all not just for the beginners but also for the experienced people, to commonly share the knowledge, and different domains we'll discuss and different stuff we'll discuss over here. Manual testing initiative. Active collaboration, I told you, right? The WhatsApp group is all about active collaboration. How the people are discussing, you can see here. Okay. So the people are discussing here, very active collaboration, a lot of screenshots, a lot of things. Okay. So mostly, shortcuts they are sharing. A lot of things are happening here. Some problems they are getting. Some people are getting some problems, some solutions, some interview questions are being shared by the different people. Okay. So some you see some interview questions asked in the interviews are being shared here. So whatever it is, you will see a lot of stuff here. You'll see a lot of stuff. The people are very cordial and very, helping nature here in our community, and they learn a lot. They share a lot. Okay. And recordings will be provided, guys, of the previous batches and current batches. Already we have the recordings of the previous batches. If you are in a hurry, you can go through the recordings. And if you are not in a hurry, along with the recordings, you can watch my, daily training sessions. Okay. The current batch, current initiatives, anywhere you can join. Okay. You will get 100x of our YouTube. Already my YouTube has a lot of free courses, but if you want a hand-by-hand guidance, like if you want some person like me who has an experience of 2 years in the IT and 17 years of software testing training. Okay. So I did IT at parallelly. I used to take the trainings. Okay. Total 17 years of experience I have. And I worked in very high level things, like I created proposals for the proposals, and to get new clients. And I worked at a high level in the companies, like uh, the website creation, or whatever you say, whatever that is required for a company to showcase its software testing skills. I am there everywhere. Okay, in the company. So that level I am from. So you can ask me anything, any guidance, anything, I can answer you. So what else we have here? Assignments. Another thing is assignments. After every session, you will get an assignment, guys. So this assignment, don't think that it will be difficult. They will be very easy. If you have understood the session, you will be able to do the assignments. Just by doing the assignments, your confidence will double. Okay. That is the only reason for giving the assignments. So if you are able to do the assignments, your confidence will double, guys. Okay. Then, so recordings will be there. No need to worry. Lifetime access recordings will be there. So my team will help you in jobs. My team will help you in jobs. Okay. So you can connect with my team member, Javid and all. You can talk to him regarding the jobs. Okay. So job help is also there. and one-time joining and lifetime training sessions access is there. You can be connected with us throughout your lifetime. We keep continuing these sessions in the morning and evening hours, morning 7 a.m. and evening 8 p.m. IST. On the weekends also, some add-on sessions will be there for the people who want to learn more. Okay. So kindly share this details in your circle, because no one can give this much of things, right? No one can actually give this much of things for just rupees 5,000. This almost, I can say, it's equal to minimum 50,000 to 1 lakh, you can say. Okay. Even you spend 50,000 to 1 lakh, you'll not get this kind of initiatives being taken anywhere. We have futuristic initiatives like going into API automation, mobile testing, mobile automation. Everything is there, guys. We don't want to stop here. Our batches are very serious batches, will continue. Okay. This evening batch also is going to be very serious batch, where we are not going to just stop with Selenium automation. We want to accommodate as much as possible. Okay. So with my training experience of teaching hundreds of batches I have trained already, guys. So with that training experience, I can answer as many questions as possible. Very complex questions also I can access. We can do R&D together at same time. It doesn't mean that I only have to share the content. My students also, sometimes I give the opportunity for my students also come up with their ideas and all. There are a lot of people in my batch, they are very curious and they like our sessions and they keep continuing our sessions. Okay, just for that reason, because a lot of discussions goes on and all those stuff. Okay, so this is what at a high level, guys, it's about that. So just to conclude that we are going to start a new batch, guys. So we thought that why can't we announce this as this by taking this webinar as a medium, so that everyone will know that we are starting a new batch on 22nd onwards. Okay, at 8 p.m. IST. And the amount you can see here, and batch is already ready with 19 members. So there is no way going back. And enrollment process, you have to contact Javed here with this number. Okay. Now it's your turn, guys. I'm done with my pitch. Okay, I completed my pitch. Whatever I have to say about the training.
Sir.
Yes, Vikas, tell me.
Sir.
Yeah, Vikas, I can hear you. Please ask.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for having this session.
Yeah.
So my question is like, what is the scope for the course? Is it only for web part, mobile, API, any specific technology?
We'll start with web, and slowly it will move on to the mobile API on the coming days. Okay, but these sessions are R&D. They will take time at same time.
No. See, you said web, mobile, and API. So those three are different verticals of the testing, right?
Yes, correct. We
And
have
for
application
all the
testing, we have
three,
mobile testing, we have API testing. Yes, correct.
yeah. So for web itself, we have a lot of options. Like we have a Catalan, then we have using JavaScript. We
We
have
use Selenium Java. We use Selenium Java mainly. And on the top of that, if required, we can go to other tools. But after completing the API and the mobile, right, the famous tools only we'll choose. Okay. So we'll not
okay,
deal
and
with the other additional, because that will be very deviating during the training process. Because maybe at the end, as part of additional topics, we can do some R&D on different tools.
okay. So for API part, like what framework you're planning to use? Are you using REST Assured Cucumber-based framework, or like any other framework you have in mind?
Yeah, we will go with the
apart
REST
from REST
Assured, because
Assured?
REST Assured is a famous one in the market. We'll go with the REST Assured only for API.
Okay, and for mobile,
For mobile, we'll go
for
with
iOS,
APM.
APM. And
APM.
you'll be covering both devices or only the emulators?
Yeah, we'll try to do whatever that is possible. You don't want to restrict with some, if there is some extension can be done, we'll go with there. Okay. We don't want to say our sessions are closed oriented. We are open for everything. Like we dig deep. Okay. It's our main motto. We generally don't
Reason
stop
is
with,
reason is I have 17 years of experience, and I
Okay.
worked with Microsoft. I worked with
Hmm.
big companies. Okay, and I've been US for the last 12 years.
Oh, great.
So I worked
Okay.
as a consultant across different domains, bank, insurance,
Okay.
and you
Okay.
talk
Great.
about retail. Okay,
Hmm.
so right now I'm working for a streaming company. Okay, and we have a lot of tools like for API related validation, for sound, for copywriting, all that tools like
Okay.
we
Okay.
use for
Fine.
testing.
Okay.
Okay, so we test different platforms like web, mobile, Roku, Samsung,
Okay.
Tizen, and all, right?
Yeah,
So
fine.
yeah, so I have experience in web, extensive experience in web and then API, but
Hmm.
not worked in mobile part. So
Okay.
wanted to check, do you have any specific curriculum for mobile where
No, we
I can
don't have
go over and see?
anything specific on mobile here, but we'll be on the go basis. We'll do R&D on every session and move forward. That's our main motto.
Okay, and what is the
We
duration for this course?
we'll deal with, specific people problems. Rather, we'll start with general Selenium Java automation. And
Yes,
after
yes.
that is done, we'll solve a live automation thing. And along with that, then additional topics in Selenium Java with frameworks, doing some extensive R&D on
Yeah,
the.
I'm okay with the Selenium Java. No question about web part and
Hmm.
API. My question is more towards mobile. So when you say mobile, so you
Hmm.
must be having some kind of a curriculum, like we'll be
We don't have
starting
any
with
curriculum.
this.
We don't follow any curriculum. We for our curriculum is only one thing, not to limit to something. Okay, it should be extensive. Like
Okay.
whatever the topic we take, we deal in depth. That's the only our curriculum. We don't
Okay.
say
Do
this
you
will
have
be
any
covered.
order?
So, and also,
Do you have any
we
order
don't have
like
any
web?
order. Only the thing is that we'll start with Selenium Java. And if any prerequisites are
Uh-huh.
required for Selenium Java, we'll go with that. And later, after that, if we have to go to API, we'll do a
Mm-hmm.
brainstorming within the students. We'll do a brainstorming of what topics are required. And then once the topics are finalized like that, we'll go with that. Okay. It's not like a trainer, oriented
Okay.
topics won't be there. It's like R&D sessions we do generally. Okay. But Selenium Java
Okay.
will
What
be
is the
very
duration
extensive.
for this whole process? Like
There is no
there
duration.
must be
It
a
may take,
duration, right?
no,
So
no, there is no
10,
duration for us. There is no duration.
1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 10 months. So these sessions
This
will
may
go
go,
long
it may
throughout the year.
usually, depending on the topics that we are discussing, we don't have to, if you talk only about Selenium Java, we can complete in 2.5 months maybe. But
Uh-huh.
considering the other initiatives and all, right, that whatever we are doing, that will take more time. Na? So
Okay.
it will go around 6 months if you want. Okay. So it's only about the people who are really curious about, getting the next level training here and,
Yeah.
more initiatives they want to participate. These are like not batch, the general trainings you see. These are like
Mm.
what you can say initiative oriented trainings. So we don't say trainings actually, we say initiatives. Okay. So Selenium Java initiative. After that initiative is done, we'll
Okay.
go to API maybe. Okay. API manual testing initiative will go. After that, we'll go with, security testing. Like that, many areas will cover during this initiative.
Performance
And this is an
testing, load
ongoing thing.
testing, performance testing, load
Performance
testing, or
testing, I am not into performance testing, but I cannot promise on that, but we'll try to give a try on that. Okay, but security is something I am very good with, so we'll go into security later part. But that will take a lot of time. You have to be
anything,
patient and
right?
curious.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. See, the intention is to learn something from the from these sessions, because
Yes, yes,
looks
correct.
like you have lot of R&D opportunities in
Yes,
these
yes.
sessions,
R&D
and
opportunities are very important here. It's not a one-way training thing. Maybe you are saying that you are very good with 17 years of experience, right? You can also, get into these trainings and, you can also help me out. Okay. So that not a single person have to know everything. No? So anyone can
I
contribute
have
here.
two
Okay.
patents filed here in software testing. I have filed two patents, one this year, one last year. They are in
Okay.
the final
Hmm.
stage for framework design and tool assessment.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but yeah, looking at the syllabus and all, I feel that definitely something which I can learn from your experience, and especially
Hmm.
like speakers will be coming from like Naveen Kuteta and Mukesh Otwani and then Sanjay.
Hmm.
I'm in touch with these people from
Okay.
quite a long time, because yeah,
Okay.
with Sanjay also, like when he started this one. But yeah,
Hmm.
looking forward for this session. Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, fine. Okay. Okay. Because fine.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
yeah, sir, I'm having my queries.
Who is this first of all?
Nitish, sir.
Yeah, Nitish, tell me.
Yeah.
You have already joined, right? My sessions also.
No, 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 sir.
No, you are a new person. Okay, fine.
So,
Okay, Nitish,
so
tell me.
actually, I have done with the Selenium Java Postman and REST assured trainings
Okay,
in
okay.
some other institutes. So
Hmm.
I'm looking for live project.
Okay,
I'm having some career gap. So
okay.
to put some experience, I'm looking for a live project.
Hmm.
So So you provide live project.
Yes, we have that live project going to happen on weekends. Okay, on
So
weekends we'll have that. So as part of this, what we do is we'll try to automate an end-to-end application. Okay, from scratch.
so when that live project new batch will start, sir?
The new batch will start now. Already we are automating the challenges. Maybe in 1 or 2 weeks for the people who already joined my batch, right? For them, they are eligible for the live automation challenges or end-to-end automation. Already live automation challenges for different applications are already going on. Okay, and for the first batch, now whoever joins our new batch, right? They will have the access to end-to-end automation of an application. Also, we are soonly going to start this. Okay, in the coming sessions.
So means what are the timings, sir? The live project.
Live project will be on mornings, Saturday, Sunday, 7 a.m.
So only automation or manual also?
Automation is at 7 a.m. and manual is around 11 a.m.
Okay.
on
So
weekends only.
only weekends only. So
Only weekends. Only weekends. Weekdays, only trainings will be there on Selenium, Java, and any other stuff. It is an
okay.
ongoing stuff which will take time also. Okay. So
Okay.
you have to be patient because everyone will come with different intentions to the trainings, right? Maybe you will, with our sessions, right, you'll learn something new and you can have the access to my previous recordings and all. You can go through them also meanwhile. If you don't have the, kind of patience levels, you can do that also at same time. Okay. So a lot of advantages we are giving so that you will definitely like if you attend a few sessions, right? You'll get a clarity of what we do. Okay. So you can, I finish like you can join in between, not a problem. In my current batch also you can join. At same time, you can also go with my fresh new batch that is going to start from 22nd. Okay. Both you are eligible, no problem.
No, sir. So next month I can join. Next month.
Next month we may be in between, but it's up to you. Like since you already have the Selenium Java knowledge, right? You can join anytime, no problem.
Only I need only live project.
Only live project. Yeah, by the time next month comes, we may be starting mostly. Okay.
On which date, sir? Can you tell me the date?
We cannot give you any dates because already we are going with the live automation challenges. They also look like end-to-end automation. So it's like mix of things, right? So already going on. So if you want to attend only weekends on, weekends and, involved in this live automation challenges, you can join right away. You can jump in right away. Only on weekends you attend and whenever the end-to-end automation starts, you can continue. Up to you.
So okay, I can join middle. After that, I can continue to new batch, sir. I can join like that.
Yes, but our batches are very lengthy batches. Okay, so we don't know, so better you join right away. That is a best advice because I'm not pushing you, but my intention is that once we start, right, if you ask me to start from beginning, I cannot start. Okay, that's the problem. If you want to join in between, some topics will be missed. That's okay for you, means you can do that. Because once I start the batch, right, the ending of the batch, I don't know. It will take a lot of time. Okay. These are R&D sessions. These are not like other trainers, what they do, right? It's not like that. Okay. It's not like sticking to 2 months or something. We do a lot of R&D of our sessions. Okay. Every topic, everything. Okay. So we will collaborate with every people. There are a lot of people who are very good. Okay. Like the one I have speak to just now, right? So they have a lot of experience. Such kind of people come and they also share their experience. Okay. We'll bring other people from the industry and everyone speaks there, such kind of things here. Okay, so
what is the duration of the live projects?
it's a side hustle project. There is no duration for that. It keeps on going because 500 test cases, imagine, no one can do that in trainings, right? So but we are
what are the topics will be covered in live project?
Live project, it is an application we'll automate. Okay, we'll automate an application as a side hustle.
Only UI testing or we'll do API testing live project?
API testing also we'll do, but we'll start with UI testing. Okay. When we go to the API topic seriously, right, API testing will start there. Okay. But initially it will be UI testing automation only.
Okay. Every weekend, 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. 7 a.m. automation and
every weekend it will be there ongoing thing. Okay. Fine. At any time you can join.
Okay. Every weekend, 7 a.m. automation and 11 a.m. Manual, sir.
Manual. And 2 p.m. we have non-tech to tech series where we also, work on technical stuff like, we delve into different technical stuff like even though, because as a software tester, we should not restrict our knowledge to just manual and automation, right? We also look into HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React JS, like that, Angular JS, whatever the topics that comes on our way, we'll do that. And we have a plan to create a website also from scratch. That's what we are planning on the tech series on that is at 2 p.m. on weekends, and 6 p.m. on weekends will be crash course, Selenium Java crash course, where Java will be explained in depth. Okay.
So the 2
R&D on depth.
2 p.m. the website creation means the software development. So.
Yeah, we are moving somewhere into the software development side also. So SJET role, you can say software developer in test kind of role. We are planning for that. Okay. So for that, it's not like a software developer, but you can treat also as a software developer also at the same time.
It's like 70% QA and 30% development.
That kind of stuff. That kind of stuff. It's from very basics. We are currently started already. HTML has started. So we are going in depth into the HTML part now. So it will take time. Once HTML is done, we'll go to CSS. Slowly, it will be step by step only. It will not be in a hurry. We'll not do that. Okay. So it's an ongoing thing, but that's the reason we don't have any duration for our trainings. So if you are in a hurry, you can watch my YouTube videos. If you need any extra guidance, you can watch these sessions. Okay. That's how we are planning our sessions.
So next month, you'll intimate when the new batch will start next month.
No, next month it will not start because already the batch is starting on 22nd, right? So there will not be any batch next month. Maybe for the next two months or also we may not have a batch. Okay. Only way is to join in between.
Okay. For live project.
Yeah. Live project also, everything is an ongoing stuff. Okay. There's nothing like, starting and ending will not be there. It will continue like that. Okay. Currently we are live automation challenges we are doing. Live end-to-end automation may start soon. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it will take 2 weekends or 3 weekends. I don't know. But end-to-end automation, we are planning to start because for the first batch, right, the Selenium Java advanced topics are still going on. So every topic like handling frames is taking like 4 to 5 sessions because we don't explain handling frames in one session. We'll explain what frames are, what are the different type of frames. Okay. Nested frames, sibling frames, like that. Every topic will go in depth. Okay. If you take a frames concept, this many topics, and also on the top of that, we'll look for different applications where we can find frames and automate them also at the same time. These are not like normal trainings that you see anywhere. These are some extraordinary trainings where, lot of in-depth things will be covered. Got it?
Okay. So live project is end-to-end automation. So live project.
End-to-end automation of an application we are planning. That is a new initiative from our side.
Okay. So it is started already?
Live automation challenges have started. End-to-end automation has not started. It's going to start.
Okay.
Once we are good with Selenium Java advanced topics, right? Then maybe maybe it may take 15 days, maybe. Okay, to start that.
End-to-end automation, that is also on weekends only.
Same, in place of live automation challenges, we will take end-to-end automation as a live automation. Okay. So currently we are randomly picking some different websites and, automating them as part of the live automation challenge. But coming to end-to-end automation, we'll take a separate unique website and then work on that.
That in end-to-end automation, that UI, API, and the database, everything will be covered.
We'll start with UI, API will come later. Okay. Because clubbing all the things together, right, that will take a lot of time for us. We cannot do that. Okay. It is a side hustle, right? It keeps going on. So it is an add-on thing for the training. Apart from the people who are looking for training, right? These things are add-on thing. Okay. So it has been created on the go. Like, the people wanted that, I created that. Okay. So based on that requirement, we have started that. Maybe we can start more requirements in the coming days based on the students who are joining and based on what they are expecting from the sessions. Okay.
So this weekday, this Monday to Friday batch is different and Saturday, Sunday batch is different, sir.
No. This is all single batch only. Monday to Friday training will be there. Weekends add-on sessions will be there, like live automation challenge and manual testing. And then 2 p.m. non-tech to tech series and 6 p.m. Selenium Java, but mostly Java will be there in that. Okay. Like that. Okay. Technical stuff will be there on the weekends. Where general Selenium Java plus Selenium Java kind of trainings will go on Monday to Friday in the morning and evening batches. Already morning batch is going on. Where we are explaining about Selenium Java advanced stuff. Okay. Like frames, handling frames we are yet to complete that frames. We are not completed it. For every topic, right, we take 3 to 4 sessions. Okay. So every advanced topic, we take 3 to 4 or 5 sessions if required. Okay. So a lot of discussions will happen there and we'll try to solve a lot of problems also in a realistic way.
Sir, as a live project member, only Saturday, Sunday is enough, sir, for me?
Yeah, Saturday, Sunday, but I'll also insist you to attend morning sessions also if possible, because every day we'll post on the WhatsApp group what sessions are going to happen tomorrow. If anything interests you, you can come and join also. There's no restriction.
Sir, I doesn't have time, so that's why Saturday, Sunday only live project time.
Okay, then go and join the live project only on the weekends. Okay, so if that is enough for you, you can join the live project if you have the time. either in the morning hours or in the evening hours, you can join our. But a new batch is going to start at 8 p.m. IST in the evening hours.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
All your questions are clear, Nitish?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyone want to ask any other questions?
Hi, sir.
Any
Naveen this side.
other new
Yeah,
batches
Naveen.
are going to start the morning?
Arun, sir,
Hi, Arun.
just
Yeah, please, Surendra, can you wait once because Naveen is waiting. I can see that.
Yeah,
Yeah, please give
sorry,
chance to
sorry.
Naveen. No problem. That's okay. It happens. Naveen, please go ahead.
Yeah, just need a confirmation, so like regarding the core Java and collection topics. So how much part we are covering? Because in most of the interviews, it will be an important for the interviews to crack, right?
Yes. There are two initiatives going on, right? We have said weekend initiative. Another initiative is weekday initiative, right? Weekday, whatever the Java that is required for Selenium will be covered, but that also will be in depth. But weekends, if not covered on weekdays, right, that will be definitely covered in weekends in depth. Okay. The sessions will be in R&D format on weekends for Java. Okay. So that 6 p.m. sessions on weekends. Okay. We'll have, that is extra initiatives. Where is the time where, we'll spend on a lot of R&D and all those stuff. Okay. Every topic will be in depth and every interview question will be answered. It's not like there's no stop point for every topic we go. Okay. Recently we had file handling mechanism. We took for file handling, we already are in the sixth session, maybe sixth part, maybe. Okay. Every day we are having 2 hours of session. You can understand how depth we are going. Okay. Because 1 hour is for the discussions, right? If I don't cover anything, people will ask me and I have to cover it at any cost. Okay. So that's how it goes on.
Yeah, got it.
Got it, right? And on the top of that, people will come with the interview questions, whatever they are facing, what they are not able to answer. That discussions will go on in every class. Okay. All these things will be there. The more the people, more the benefits we'll get in the sessions. Okay. Because a lot of R&D will be done from every direction and we'll get the things done. Basically, collaboratively, I cannot say that I'm a complete expert of everything, a master of everything. I cannot say that. But what I say is that with this kind of community connection with the students and all, since we are doing this as a service anyhow, instead of marketing or money oriented, we are not doing that. We collaborate with the people. Okay. If you don't know something, if you guys know something, you can share it. Okay. That's kind of approach. That's helping us a lot already in our current batch. Okay.
Got it. Thanks.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, next, who are Surendra, you can ask now.
Yeah, hi, Arun.
Yeah, hi, Surendra.
Arun, we could have any batches on the morning batch like that?
Morning batch is already going on where, Selenium Java advanced topics are being explained now. Like one of the topic that is currently going on is, handling frames. After that, we'll start actions class, mouse actions and, that kind of stuff. Okay. A few more sessions like WebDriver architecture, hierarchy architecture, all those stuff are still remaining. Okay. After that, we'll go to the dedicated framework in the morning hours. But evening hours, it's a fresh batch, complete from scratch.
But evening, right? Currently, I'm working, so evening I could not able to join. So only I'm asking like a morning thing. We have any classes like that?
Okay. Can I know about Surendra? Like about you, like what you know already? It's only manual testing, or some.
Yeah,
core
it's
Java.
like a manual API. Everything is doing, but now I need to know much more about the technologies.
Okay. So what about Selenium automation? How much you know about Selenium?
Selenium, already I completed courses, but not in the practical classes.
Okay. Normally you have the knowledge. Normal knowledge you have on the Selenium, right?
Yeah, normal only. Yeah, yes.
So then you can join our morning batch. No problem. In between also you can join and you can continue like that. Not these things will be repeated again. No problem. Okay. You join somewhere and because you already have some knowledge, right? You don't have to start from the beginning in my case. Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever that is going on, right? You can join and you can contact Javed here that you can see the details of Javed on the screen, right? You can get connect with Javed and get yourself enrolled and from tomorrow only you can join. No problem. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
No problem at all. Because once you attend 1 or 2 or 3 sessions, you'll understand what's there in sessions. Okay. Because we under here, we over deliver there. So you can see the difference. Okay. Because at what level of depth we are doing and also the weekend sessions and all. If you see that the kind of elements that we have put into our place in training, right? We are just not worried about money or something. It's about, a continuous learning process we created as part of the trainings. Okay. That's what we can say.
Oh, okay. So, okay, once this, you're planning something you said, once after your plan is completed means you are going to cover everything like API and
Yes. The plan is to go to the
security.
R&D because only thing is that if you have more people, right, that can accommodate this. Already we have more people in the morning batch, so no need to worry. You can join that. Okay, the API will be
Sure,
covered. Everything will be covered, so no need to worry about the batches because we are not running batch by batch basis. Rather, we are trying to serve the people by giving them a lot of knowledge. Okay, so never late. You can join at any point of time in our trainings. If you want to, the opportunity has come that evening hours 8 p.m. a new batch is starting. So if anyone want to join, they can join. Okay, that's the thing.
Oh, okay.
And also we don't force the people. And also we don't force the people to join our batches. The reason behind that is already we have provided a lot of things for free on our YouTube channel, QFox YouTube channel. If you feel that an extra thing that you will get in these trainings, okay, some extra guidance, some extra discussion will happen here. With that intention only, you have to join. Okay, otherwise there is no need to join our sections. Okay, we are openly stating that. Okay. The people who want to
already
learn
I follow
more,
you on the YouTube, so only
yes.
I'm trying to reach you and I connect.
Yeah. Okay, great. Good to know that. Yeah. Thank you.
So one more question.
Yeah, TK.
Sir, one last question, sir.
Yeah, please, Nitish. Nitish, right?
Yes. Sir, last question, sir.
Yeah, please ask Nitish. Okay, then after that, TK will ask. No problem.
Okay, sir. I've seen in a QFox YouTube channel some Selenium live project is there and manual testing live project is there, sir.
Yes, correct.
So same that project only.
No. The project will be taken, but we have only covered maybe up to 15 or 20 test cases we would have covered in that live project. But here it's not like that. It's going to be very realistic and it's like an internship kind of stuff. Okay, where you see, let's say you are assigned to a project in your company. How much time will it take for you to complete the project? Can you give a deadline for that? No, right? It keeps on going, right? Same here, we are going to do that difference. Okay, there you will, as part of the recordings, we cannot go behind that. But here, as part of our ongoing side hustles and projects and all, right, we'll do a lot. Okay.
Okay, so let's that in YouTube channel I've seen that some videos like Selenium live project. So that is enough, sir, or we have to join in live project weekend?
So if you join, you will get more knowledge. That's what I'm saying, right? It's not compulsory that you have to join here. If you feel that they are enough, but if you feel that somehow you are not getting some confidence, you need a day-to-day guidance, you want to learn more and be head of the herd kind of thing, like, because different people are there here joining here. So if you want that benefit, you join. Okay. A realistic, learning, if you want to get, you join here. Okay. This is all realistic basis. It's not just creating some videos and completing them. It's not like that. Okay, I can say it's 100x I can say of
okay, in YouTube channel only 50 test cases are covered. If I join in this live project means I can cover 500 test cases, right?
Yes, correct. That's the correct thing. Okay.
There's
no limit. Even for 500 also there is no limit because this keeps continuing because there are a lot of applications outside that we can automate, right? So it will not stop with one application or something. It is a side hustle. We keep on automating different stuff and we keep on gaining our experience over a period of time. Okay.
So no sir, because first I'm small dilemma, I was in confusion. So as I'm joining live project, sir, so I need the course duration, sir.
No, we cannot give the course duration because this 500 test case you can manage. No one can estimate that. Okay. So there is no end for that, we can say, because these are ongoing things. Okay. So if you want to get some extra experience or extra exposure into the stuff, right, you come to these sessions. Otherwise, my YouTube videos are enough for you. Just you want to get trained on some topic, right? My YouTube videos are enough. But if you want to be different, where apart from the things that you are doing in your project, you want to learn something extra and do an internship kind of thing along with the training that happens on weekdays. On the weekends, if you want to do a lot of stuff, extra stuff, then you can join the sessions. Okay, there you'll get the benefit more.
Yeah. Okay.
Got it right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Fine, Nitish.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, TK, you can ask now.
Sir, I'm continually attending the R&D session and non-tech to tech session and the live art. These things, sir, I'm attending. Manual testing also I'm attending.
Okay.
But sir, the CEO expert sessions, what's the timing of this?
No, they will happen randomly. There is no particular timing. Whenever we feel that there is a feasibility, we'll call someone and they'll give you the sessions. Okay, like that. It's not compulsory that we have some frequent CEO sessions here. When the time permits, right? When the time permits, we'll involve that. That's an add-on thing. Okay, that we are doing on the top of that, right? So let's say we are into continuous integration, continuous deployment. So we want to explore more in that area. I'll bring the people who are masters in that area so that they can teach us. Okay. for 1 or 2 sessions like that.
So,
So
that
first I will
session-
teach you. First I will teach you. After the knowledge, after we get all the knowledge right, then I'll call this kind of case there. So we're already working in real time. Even I worked in real time, but these people have worked in real time more than me. Okay, so getting more information from them is possible by inviting this kind of people. When the proper time arrives, we'll invite. In the normal durations only, it will be there. Okay, as part of the normal sessions, suddenly we'll plan like selectors of maybe there or it may be anything. Okay, during the sessions.
So at the time you will update the.
Yeah, every day I'll update in our WhatsApp group, right? Every day you have to see our WhatsApp group. Tomorrow, what is planned will be there. Okay, you have to accordingly follow.
So okay, sir. I am currently attending the 7 to 8 a.m. batch, sir.
Okay, fine.
That batch can I attend in 8 p.m. also?
Yeah, you can join anytime. You see, once you are part of our trainings, right? There is no restriction for you. You can join everywhere. Okay.
Same link, that's any different.
Same link everywhere you can join. If you change, also we'll update you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Yeah. Any other questions, guys? From anyone?
This end-to-end automation of an application is internship like only, sir.
Internship only. Side hustle project. It is an ongoing thing. Okay. It doesn't have any deadline. We have to keep doing that. And when we enjoy and do it right, it will feel good. Okay. So instead of deciding about timeline and when it ends and all right, we are going with an ongoing basis. Okay. That you should feel like you are working on a project for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next, anyone?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, Sujit. Yeah, good evening, Sujit.
Sir, I have one doubt related to the course because I have the 5 year of experience in non-tech and I want to move in the testing domain.
Okay, fine.
So I don't have any basic knowledge about the Java and Selenium.
Nothing you need to have, no problem. Okay.
Okay. So currently what happens? So I know the ETL and database testing. So currently I'm working on that thing as well.
Okay, fine, great.
Testing domain only. But the company
not completely into testing, but a separate domain type of thing is there for you. Okay.
No. Currently I'm working on the testing domain on database testing.
Database testing and testing domain. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the company asked me to learn the Java with Selenium or API testing.
Okay. So, Sujit, as I mentioned, right, that the new batch is starting from 8 p.m. IST 22nd onwards. Okay, you can join that. Okay.
Okay.
So, if you join that, right, everything will be from scratch. Everything, like even including HTML, also will cover. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay. And what about the API testing, sir?
API testing also will be there. First, manual will be covered at the end, and after that, we'll go for the automation.
Okay, so we'll start from the Java with Selenium, or
yeah, first Selenium Java will start, then slowly we'll move to the other areas also. Okay.
Okay, so API testing will be the part of this
training only. Part of this training that will come later. Even SQL also will cover. Okay.
Okay. So what about the manual testing, sir? It will be
manual testing is on weekends actually, because for now we have on the weekends. Okay, so at 11 a.m. you have to join on weekends if you are interested in manual, right? That is being taken on weekends, where those kind of teaching will be completely different, where we don't teach theoretical stuff there, more practical stuff like what is and all those stuff.
Okay. So as you mentioned that the mobile testing is also part of this.
Yeah, everything will be there. Everything will be there. Mobile testing, every domain will touch. Even domains also will touch, like banking, insurance, finance, and all those domains. Healthcare domains we'll see. And I'll also change your perspective and your mindset on how to learn the stuff. Okay, that also will be there.
Okay, great, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome, Sujit. Yeah, anyone want to speak next and ask me any doubts next?
Yeah. Hi, Arun. Good evening.
Yeah, Sudesh, tell me.
Yeah, actually, this one normal question. Just I'm working with a non-technical side, like mechanical side. Just now I'm only planning to coming. I just choose from testing only. Here, my doubt is regarding to our manual automation. Okay, I have some idea. Okay, 5 to 10%. Another one is SAP testing means regarding this is only on that one other.
Which one you are talking about?
SAP shop.
SAP.
Shop testing. Yes.
We don't specially teach SAP testing, but we can do some R&D on that. Okay, in the coming days.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, but not specially on SAP, but these things are more on Selenium, Java, and all. And the additional topics, R&D topics, they will be considered as R&D topics, and we can discuss, During our day-to-day sessions, we have 1 hour of time in the doubts, right? You can point out that questions at any point of time. You can do the R&D and get the things done. Basically, testing will be same everywhere, but the domain may be different. The SAP, what is SAP means, and how do we perform testing? How the SAP testing is different from this kind of testing. Such kind of research we'll do. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Because we have every day, apart from the 1 hour session, we have 1 hour doubts clearing session. So anything can be covered in there. So we generally don't expect that this kind of things may happen on that particular day. I generally feel happy after the sessions because I feel that only one topic will be covered, but because of the questions, right, we dwell with different type of topics also at the end of the session. So these are more R&D sessions and doubts clearing sessions. So this will help you out touch basing a lot of other things also, including SAP maybe. Okay, when you ask the questions, it will come.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Nitesh. Nitesh, you have any questions?
Sir.
Yes,
Sir,
please.
sir.
Yeah, Nitish.
Sir, yeah. Does this Devin AI will replace any software testing jobs in future?
What is that? AI?
Devin,
AI replacing the jobs?
yes.
Yeah,
Devin
there is
AI.
there is some possibility where the Devin AI and all those stuff, So they may replace to some extent, but they cannot replace everything. So like the automation has come and the number of resources got reduced, right? In the same fashion, the same thing will happen. Maybe the number of resources will reduce, but they will not replace. Okay. It has to work along with us. That's what I can say at this whatever the data I have so far, right? This is what I understood. Like we have to work with the AI. So if it's not that AI is going to replace you, rather than the people who learn the AI will replace you. So in our ongoing sessions, we'll also touch base on AI things, and already in different companies, this training is already being done on AI tools and all. Even TCS and Accenture and all, the training they are giving to the students on AI part, so that they do the work along with the AI tools. Okay, they have to work along with the AI tools now.
Okay, new job in future, new job opportunities we can expect from AI.
Yeah, we can expect. You see, more technology, more jobs will be there, but at the same time, the AI will replace, not replace, reduce the number of jobs a bit. Okay, to some extent. Okay, so maybe then new opportunities may come. We don't know. Okay, so at this moment, that is the data we have. So I have to be very frank with everyone. So the people who learn the AI tools can be in that bucket, and the people who don't learn the AI tools, right, maybe they will be behind, kind of thing in the market.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, see, Monday to Friday, you're taking weekend classes, right? So
yes.
from 22nd onwards, Monday to Friday, you're taking weekend classes, right?
Yes, correct. Yes, right.
Like on Saturday and Sunday, you would revision all those Monday to Friday classes, or Saturday, Sunday will be different?
Saturday, Sunday will be different. Saturday, Sunday will be all about live automation challenge, end-to-end automation, manual testing initiative, non-tech to tech series, and Java in-depth kind of topics will be there on the weekends. If you are interested in any of these topics only, you have to attend. It's not mandatory to attend.
I'm interested in morning automation and manual.
Morning automation, right? At 7 a.m. we'll start with live automation challenge, and then 11 a.m. we'll start with manual testing. 2 p.m. we'll start with non-tech to tech, and 6 p.m. We have this Java depth kind of topics.
It's only morning 2 topics.
Only on weekends. Only on weekends. Weekdays is general sessions on Selenium Java. Okay.
Okay.
Trainings will be on weekdays, and implementation and practical internship kind of feeling you will get on weekends. Okay.
So, okay, the person who is already trained in Selenium, only weekends live batches is enough for him, sir?
It's not like that. You can even attend the weekday also, because a lot of discussions happen on weekdays also. I have seen that in my current batch, where people discuss a lot of new things. Okay. They will come up with interview questions and all. You may have been trained on different stuff, but ultimately getting the doubts, right? When you get the doubts, and you will learn a lot from the doubts, basically.
So Saturday, Sunday, we can learn the live project, and Monday to Friday we can practice, sir.
Monday to Friday trainings will be there from my side. Okay.
So if you are interested, means we can join the trainings, or we can.
You can join anytime, any batch, anytime, any session. You can join according to your requirement. Okay.
Okay. If you are interested, means we can join the Monday to Friday, or we can practice
Monday to Friday, morning, evening, anytime. Whenever I am taking a session, you can join. There is no restriction. Not only this batch, next batch also you can join. Not a problem.
Or we can practice at this Saturday, Sunday. What you have thought that.
Up to you. Up to you. How do you want to plan your practice is up to you. how many sessions you want to attend and how much practice you want to do, it's up to you. Okay. So that is a flexibility that you can take, because if something is in some batch is not required, some session is not required, you don't have to join. It's not compulsory.
Sir,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
But you can join and practice.
Yeah, thank you, sir. You are providing a lot of services. So
Yes,
this kind of services, but outside they're charging like 1 lakh, 1 lakh around.
Yes, that's what I am saying, right? We are not charging much also for the people. So this kind of services we are doing with a good intentions. Okay, there's no bad intention behind this. Very good intention to serve the people and to help the people in all the directions. Okay, that's the main motto of us.
With 1 lakh, and they are not providing the placements also, but you are going with the job.
Yes, my team is also helping the people in job side also. If they are really interested, right, we are ready to process their resumes into some companies also.
So yeah, so can you tell me that is a future of testing? So how
the testing future is there. Don't worry about the future, what is happening after 5 years, after 10 years, what will happen, we cannot say now. But at this moment, if I see the next 2 to 3 years before me, there is no problem in that. Okay. Things may take time. Okay. Whatever they are making you guys afraid of, right, that will happen in the future days. Okay. Not currently, now. Right away, it will not happen. Okay. Whatever the day AI tools and all those things you are saying, right? Already ChatGPT came long back. What happened? Nothing has happened, right? So we are utilizing the ChatGPT instead of spending so much of time in creating the emails. We are simply asking ChatGPT to generate an email. It's generating a very beautiful email for us. So we are utilizing it and getting the things done. Okay. So maybe we have to see how the new AI tools will come, what they will do the difference. We have to see that. Okay. But I don't think nearly it will not happen. Maybe in the coming days, we have to see what the effect of AI is on the jobs. Okay. If it is going to affect our jobs, it is going to affect everyone, not only our software, but outside software also it's going to affect. If that is going to be too crazy, means it's going to be behind our human level. Okay. So we have to see what's going to happen.
So compared to software development, software testing is easy, right? So
software testing, I cannot say it is easy, but there is a lot of scope also here. There may be some people, right, who want to go into software developments, and suddenly because of the situations in the companies, they have to land on software testing. For them also, there is a way, like, they have a way where, they can go in the direction of development. Okay. SDET roles are there, software developer in engineering test, where, we should not stop ourselves with software testing. We have to start with software testing and we have to go to the development side where, we should be also ready for the development if required. Okay. Because future jobs will be like that. Okay. So you'll not be replaced if you are very technical person, right? You'll not be replaced. So instead of thinking software testing is easy and, going into the safe zone, right? Don't be in safe zone. Don't be in safe zone.
Because I learned .NET in previous. So due to heavy data structures and heavy logics, so I came to testing. So that's why.
Okay, no problem. I'll make your job easy. So the way I teach you, right, it will be completely easy only. Okay, so no need to worry about that. Okay, so we'll try our level best in. You see, there's no problem in learning, right? If you learn something, there's no any problem. Job is a different thing. Okay, job is a different thing, but learning something is not a problem, right?
So compared to software development, here the logics will be some.
Yes, definitely. Software developers have to go way ahead of what automation engineers will do. We only look up to core Java, but software developers have to do to the architecture and all. If we also learn that, there is a good thing for us also, but it's not compulsory for us as software testers. But if we do, it is a good thing.
Yes.
Clear, Nitish?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Great. Yeah. Anyone have any questions? Guys, anyone have any questions? Okay. So anyone from my current batch have joined? Guys, anyone from my current batch have joined so that you can share your
Yes.
Yeah,
Rakesh. Yeah.
Rakesh, thanks for joining, Rakesh. Rakesh, instead of me saying, you say something to the people so that they can understand how the training will.
Hello, everyone. I joined third class before 20 days ago. Joined Selenium Java course, and I have no knowledge of programming. But Arun Sari is easy made for me for Java programming, because I have a clear concept of the Java for encapsulation, polymorphism, Java basic, and the way of teaching is excellent and awesome, because I have contact a lot of trainer before last 10 years, but this Arun sir is teaching a very excellent to another compared to other, and it's Java is very good and very easily understand any non-technical person, and the depth of course is very Java depth is very high. In Java, he is going very depth, and he answer also small answer because I have question multiple small things because I am not technical person, so they give a very easily give example with understand, so I can understand, and I request you to in this prize no one can give me this lot of things like APM API Java course and live automation training end-to-end testing. All things are they will provide only 5,000 because and a lifetime in lifetime, and before I'm bad experience for another trainer. If I join again, they will pay again. Please pay 5,000. Then you are join the class. And this teaching is very superb and awesome. If you, I request you all join this, and you are you happy with things all time. Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Rakesh. Thank you, Rakesh, for those words. Yeah, thank you, Nitesh, for that words in the chat. Yeah. Yes, who want to speak next from Anak, you want to say something?
Yes, I want to say something. Who are attending the this session? Completely, the Arun sir is providing the complete service, and then he will teaching the compared to another trainer. He's very talent, and then he's a good trainer also. Thank you.
Thank you, Anak. Thank you for that. Yeah, you can also see the chat box, guys. People are also writing in the chat box. Ashish, you want to say something?
Yeah, hi.
And also,
Yeah, Anak,
also,
Anak, you want to say something, Anak?
Sir, I'm
yes, one more thing.
Sir, sorry.
Nitish, wait, please. Okay, Nitish,
I'm
wait for a while.
Sir, I'm leaving.
You are leaving?
Sir. Yeah, I'm leaving, sir.
Okay, Nitish. Yeah, please.
I'm leaving the meet, sir. So I'm urgent work.
Okay, yeah, please ask.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Nitish, no problem. Yeah, Anak, you can continue now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Last 1 year, 2 years before I was followed the QFX and then the answer teaching, and then after that 1 month before I have joined in this training session. He will teaching very lot of things. That's and then also I am one of the fan to also the.
Thank you, Anak. Thank you for the kind words, and I'm very happy for that. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Sir.
Thank you, Anak. Ashish, you want to say something? Nigora is there, and Ashish also. Nigora, can you wait for the Ashish to complete, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ashish. Hi everyone. So just to let you know, like I'm also a working professional who is already working in some part of Selenium and all. But having said that, like I joined this code because of the way he's teaching. I just gone through some of his YouTube videos and the stuff that he has provided. So before teaching to any points or any things or any topics, he himself do a lot of research. That is what I love about him. So it is not about like some fixed content that he has or he just provide in a fixed time foundation. So here the main thing is that there is no time foundation. So if you know anything, you can keep on going the way you want to learn. You can contribute, you can learn, and I must say like he's like a mentor kind of thing, like where I can or anybody can ask any day-to-day problems that they are facing, and he always try to listen the concerns of anybody very patiently and try to figure out whatever way he can do. Even if he doesn't know, he try to search and try to explore, and then at some point of time he always try to help to the entire team. That is what I really like about him. So
yeah, thank you, Ashish, and thanks for the support that you are already providing in my sessions. Ashish is already providing a lot of things. Okay, he knows good. He has good knowledge. He is also helping me in making the sessions even more better. Thanks for Ashish for that kind words. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, Nigora, you want to say something?
Yes, I want to take a moment to express how much I have been enjoying the Java Selenium classes.
Okay.
Yes, and I want to thank you for your dedication, for
Thank you,
teaching
Nigora.
that way, and for a positive learning environment.
Thank you, Nigara. Thank you. And always Nigora comes with a lot of out of box things every
Questions.
time. Yeah. Out of box
A lot
questions
of
and out of
questions.
solutions also sometimes. Okay, that's very great. And we are very happy to have you in our current batch, Nigora. Okay, great. Anyone else want to talk anything here? Yeah, Nitesh.
Yeah, dude. Actually, I want one small thing from you because nowadays openings are very high in automation. Can you
Openings
take
are what? Openings are what?
very low,
Low, you are saying. Yeah, correct. Okay. Hmm.
very low? Because of that, can you conduct this session like a limited batch?
Hmm.
Because like that, because your R&D in morning sessions it is taking so much because they are having so much time, and you
Hmm.
are having so patient. But when coming to interviews, we are having less opportunities, right? And we need to be secure. For that, this
It's
batch
not
can
like
be.
it's not like we are having less opportunities. It's like, opportunities are there because earlier, if you ask me, before April and all, before April started, the opportunities were low. I can understand that, but now it's not the case. So some opportunities have started, Nitesh. So don't combine the opportunities with the learning, because learning is an ongoing thing. So you have a lot of time, right? Apart from the training that I am doing, you have a lot of time you can explore, because ultimately you have to help the people in, whatever the day-to-day challenges they are facing. I have to help them out, right, Nitesh? So that's the main thing. Okay. So people are coming with a lot of doubts, interview questions. Hope you are able to see those things, right? After the session also, I'm answering. It may be into API or it may be into anything. I'm just going there and we are explaining. That way also we are learning stuff. Okay. It's not in one direction we are doing. Yeah, anyhow, I understand that one direction is already going on. On the top of that, we are taking manual testing on the weekends because I cannot take on the weekdays, right? Already weekdays is taking a lot of time. But learning something in depth is very important. As you can see, like the kind of questions that are being asked are also in very depth nowadays. Okay, if you
Yeah,
don't learn the topics in high level, if you learn, right, the job opportunity is not in our control. Okay, job opportunities are not in our control. When you get a job call, if you are able to pass that interview or not is something that is there in our control, right?
yeah.
So just because of that job calls, if you want to compromise this, that's not a good idea, Nitish. Okay. So anyhow, we are into the near to the framework part. I don't think you have to worry much.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem, Nitish. Thanks for the feedback and all. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone else want to ask any questions or want to say anything? You can. So there's some more time left out. So if anyone have anything, you can just let me know. Fine. Great. Yeah, thank you then. If you don't have anything, we can close this session now. So thanks for attending the webinar, guys. Okay, Vikas, you have anything? Vikas, do you have anything to say? You have unmuted yourself. Just want to check with you. I don't know, we can hear you or something, but you have unmuted. Okay, guys, then that's all. That's all from my side. And if you don't have any questions, then we'll leave from this webinar. Anyone interested, contact Javed with these details given here. So he'll help you out, okay, on enrolling the process. In the enrollment process, he'll help you out. Thank you, Ashish, for joining. Thank you, everyone, my current batch members and future batch members, everyone. Thanks for joining here. Let's achieve the success together. So, and reach our goals and dreams together. Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you then. Bye, everyone. Have a nice night and have a nice day for the people from US. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Bye, everyone. See you.